Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently July 23rd. We took one trade today, as you can see right here. We hit TP1 when it came down to these lows, and then we got edged by TP2. We trailed our stop directly to these highs here, got tapped into by a tick, and then fully ran into TP2. Honestly, this trade got me pretty upset. I never got upset with a win, but today I was pretty upset because of what happened here. I missed out on like an extra 200 bucks profit, but it is what it is. That happens in the markets all the time, as you guys can see. It literally happened today. I got ticked out and then fully ran. So very unfortunate, but overall we are up on the day. $200 on 4 accounts, so a total of $800 total. So we made back our loss from yesterday. So we're basically break even on the week. It is Wednesday, so we're break even with 2 more days to trade. But we had a great week last week, so I can't forget about that. We are at a payout on this one account, this top account. We can take a payout tonight, but I think I'm gonna wait to build this account a little bit to try to get the max payout. So I'm not gonna request a payout, but this trade was a very nice setup. Let's get into the trade recap. So as you guys can see, right at market open, we came up. Well, this is all pre-market actually. Came up pre-market, swept out these highs. We also tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap here. So this was a liquidity sweep. Tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap here. So I definitely wanted to see lower out of this area. Market open, we just displaced lower right away. Literally, like, this is market open candle, we just shot down. So that automatically made me bearish. We inversed a 5 minutes to the downside. So after we inversed that 5, I was definitely looking for sells, not really looking to long. There was an SMT at like these lows here, I believe it was right here, but I wasn't focused on this SMT just because on how bearish this 5-minute close. It was an inversion fair value gap. It also closed below these lows here, creating a market structure shift. So all I wanted to do was wait for a rebalance to equilibrium. We came back up. As you guys can see, we came back up to equilibrium. We also filled this fair value gap here, this 1-minute fair value gap. Tapped in this 1 minute here. I believe there was an SMT right here as well. There was an SMT at these highs, as you guys can see. Ooh, wrong thing. SMT right here on ES. ES came up and took these highs, and NASDAQ did not, so there was a bearish SMT right here. After that bearish SMT, I just wanted to see inversion fair value gap and a CISD. So we got the inversion fair value gap on this candle. There's a little 1 minute here that we were respecting, and then we inversed through it. That also aligned with a CISD. So after that, I just wanted to see a little pullback, and we pulled back up. Got him at these highs. Stop was above these highs here, and 14-point stop targeting all of these lows here, where the SMT was, and then also these lows here, but it only ran through these equal lows. I should have targeted these equal lows instead, not these lows here. It would have hit TP and I would have been out fully if I TP'd fully here. But I was holding these lows, we got edge, came back up, tapped in my trailed stop, and then ran. So very unfortunate with that. This trade would have been insane. It would have been a 4-4 risk reward, pretty much a 4.5 risk reward, but we only hit TP1, so it was only like a 3-1 risk reward, more like a 2.5. But this was the trade we took today. We made back our loss from yesterday. Not anymore. Literally just made back our loss. So we are break even on the week completely. We have 2 more days. And yeah, this was the trade. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Use code ZACH for 80% off all the accounts. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another trade recap. We are fully locked in. Let's keep improving. Let's keep building these accounts. And soon we'll see a payout between all these accounts, which will feel really, really, really nice. And then just buy more fundeds and keep building this copy trader as well. Get more accounts. That's the goal for 2025, is to try to get max allocation with Top Step. We're not Top Step Apex, so we need a lot of accounts. So we need to get more payouts rolling in and then buy more accounts. So yeah, this was the trade, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, y'all.